Why this make you feel like though? Why this make you feel like though? Why this make you feel like though? God, come wine till you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, if you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Black History Month to you. Today's video we are going to be creating this smoky eye, kind of giving me like tribal vibes right now, you know, so I'm loving the way that it all came together. I'm Valencia, if you did not know. If it's your first time watching, hello, welcome. Take that time to hit the subscribe button down below. And without further ado, let's just get right into the video.
So we are going to transition with this NYX eyeshadow called Dance the Tides, and I'm just gonna blend that all out over my lid, and then I'm throwing you guys a curveball. So your girl is using that chocolate brown contour shade that she sets her contour with. You know what I'm talking about. That brown from the True Complexions contour kit. So I'm using that brown, and then I'm going to take my Morphe brush and place this black from Urban Decay. It's called BlackOut. Now, if you want your black to stick, you can definitely go in with a black crayon and then go over that with your eyeshadow. I didn't do that. I didn't think of it until after I started doing my eye, but I'm going to pack it on my lid. If you don't have a crayon, you want to pack that color on top of your lid first. And I mean pack it like crazy. Like, look what I'm doing, because once you start blending that bad boy out, it's going to fade away and you want it to look black. So watch this transition. Watch how it starts to blend out. See how I got to go back over it with more black to get that intensity? That's what you're going to have to go through. You're going to have to continue to build that black up to get the intensity that you want. And the brush that I'm using is my Sigma E38 brush. This is a good blending brush. And then I'm going back over with the brown from the True Complexions contour kit, and I am going to blend everything out. We are honoring black business owners, makeup black business owners, so I am using Fenty Beauty's Pro Filter Primer from Rihanna's Fenty Beauty line, and going in with my Fenty Beauty foundation. So this is the first layer as you're looking at it, and I'm taking my M439 brush, my favorite brush, and you just want to massage all of that into the skin. Now you already know Rihanna's got it down packed with the foundation, so I don't really have to talk too much about it. If you want to learn more about it, you can refer to my video. I'm going to have it in the cards. I have a makeup tutorial / review of Rihanna's Fenty Beauty products. So because it's so lightweight, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to dump another layer onto my skin, and then I'm going to blend it all out. So you want to go in with at least 2 layers because you're trying to get that full coverage and flawless melanin look. You feel me? After you are done, see, I had put my lashes on hold, so the lashes deets are going to be at the bottom in the description box, but I had to put them on hold. Then you want to go ahead and move in with your highlight and your contour routine. So you already know I'm going to try out again the Makeup Revolution Complexion Detail Concealer. And I am going in with the color C13, just taking it under my eyes. And then I'm just going to blend everything out. You want to just take it under your eyes first and blend everything out. Now the thing about this concealer, it's a little bit different than my Urban Decay All Nighter concealer because it blends out a little more thinner than the Urban Decay All Nighter concealer, but it does the job. I love it for its price point and what it does to give you that coverage and flawless look. As you may know, if you have not heard, this was supposed to replace the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. So you just want to keep blending and blending and blending until you cannot blend anymore. We're going to go back over and do 2 layers. So I'm going to go back over again and add a little more oomph of Glam because we want all this melanin to glow. Then you're contouring. You want to go in and contour. I'm using my cream contour first. And I'm using this blender brush from Realtechniques. And the color I'm using for my cream contour is from another black-owned brand, which is Black Opal. And I'm using the color Ebony in their foundation sticks. And I'm just going to blend that out into my skin because it's so creamy. And it just has the perfect colors for us melanin babes. So just going to go right in and I'm going to blend that all out. Yes, mommy, yes. So my head wrap, if you guys want to know where I got this head wrap from, I actually didn't have to go to like some fancy dancy website. I actually went right to Joann Fabrics, looked up African head wraps, and I went and I bought this. And you know what? It wasn't even that expensive. It was only like $5.99 per yard. So I got a good deal, and I'm definitely glad I snatched this up. As I was wearing my wigs, and you know what? I had to get back to my roots. Because we're following that routine, we're going to set everything into place, and I'm using my Sascha Buttercup. Now, I could not find my Black Opal setting powder, my loose setting powder. I could not find it, guys. So I had to go in with my Sascha Buttercup, but I'm sorry. But I'm setting everything into place with my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Kit. The same color that I use on my eyes. I love this brown on my skin. Like, I hate when I'm looking for a brown and it doesn't look brown. You feel me? Like, don't you know how when you're a woman of color and you're looking for a color that's like a chocolatey brown? I hate looking for brown shades because they don't look brown on your eyelids and stuff like that. They look more of like a darker color closer to black, but it's not black, if you know what I'm saying. You know, if you know what I'm saying. I play too much. Okay, I'm about to throw y'all a curveball. So, you know how they say there's no rules to makeup, right? So I did right into the Morphe 35B palette, and I used this orange and this like purpley like fuchsia shade, and I mixed those two together to add the blush. Because I got tired of using the blushes that I was using. I'm like, I want some color. So yes, I wanted to glow in a different way and dollop in a different way. And the highlighter that I'm using, the first highlighter I dipped into was from my ABH Glow Kit. And then I went on top of that with the gold that's in the Black Radiance Contour Kit. And then we're just going to repeat everything that we did on the top lid to the bottom lid. So I'm taking my Black Radiance waterliner pencil, and I am using that to smoke out my waterline, and I am going back under with that black from Urban Decay, and I am going to smoke everything out, and then take my Bad Girl Bang from Benefit, and you want to just pull those lashes until they can't pull no more. You know how you yanking a bitch hat? You know what I'm talking about? You know when you get in a fight and you gotta grab your girl hat? That's what you need to do. Snatch your lashes until they pull out the way you want it to pull out. This brown lip pencil from Black Radiance, and then I am going to use this brown from Wet n Wild. It's called Mink Brown, and spray my face. Now look at this black melanin queen. Yes, mommy.
All right, guys, so that is it for the video. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment, like, share, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.